Immerse yourself in the rejuvenating power of stem cell therapy. This innovative skincare routine is designed to stimulate your skin's own stem cells, promoting youthful regeneration while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Experience the surge of collagen production, the cornerstone of firm, vibrant skin. With stem cell therapy, an increase in skin elasticity and firmness is not just possible, it's guaranteed. Delve into deep hydration thanks to hyaluronic acid, known for its exceptional ability to retain moisture. Keep your skin plump, supple, and deeply moisturized throughout the day. Rest assured, safety is paramount. Stem cell therapy is formulated with entirely natural ingredients, free from harmful chemicals and toxins. Finally, witness visible results. Users report significant improvements in skin condition, visible reductions in wrinkles, and an overall brighter, healthier skin tone. Stem cell therapy, a promise of rejuvenation,